I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio installed with the workloads you need and an optionally signed-in account for sync. Once done, open File, New, Project, and pick a template that matches the app type. This determines project structure and default packages. Make sure to set a clear name and folder path to avoid later confusion. You'll also choose target framework and platform now, because those decisions affect available APIs and build tooling downstream. Once the project skeleton exists, you configure the middle details that define behavior and dependencies. You select the exact framework and runtime, add NuGet packages for libraries, and create project references or subprojects for modular code. Then organize folders and set default namespaces in Solution Explorer so files remain discoverable. Make sure to review and edit debug versus release configurations, update launch settings, JSON for ports or environment variables, and pin versions in package manifests to ensure repeatable builds. You finish by building and running the app under the debugger to validate features and catch runtime errors early. Once stable, integrate source control, add a sensible git ignore, and create publish profiles or CI/CD pipelines for deployment. Before closing, run unit tests and produce a release build to confirm performance. If something goes wrong, use the error list and output panes, perform a clean restore of NuGet packages, then rebuild. This often fixes missing references and version mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.